In this video, I will show you how to make the anti-gravity logo, which was an example in the presentation. Select the type tool, click, align center, type anti-gravity, select all by Control A, hold down Alt and hit the right arrow, get some spacing. Let's choose a font. I think this is alright for this one. Get the selection tool, align to artboard, center, just so it looks nice. Scale it up a little bit. When I scaled up, I held Alt, so it scales around the center. Otherwise, it would scale around the corner. Click on it, right click, create outlines. Get the direct selection tool to select the dot of the eye, which is called a tittle, I believe, and use the arrows on your keyboard to move it up. Select the second tittle and move it even higher. Maybe move this one to a bit to the right. This one as well. And there you have it.